Alright y'all, we here at the PieFactory. Still working on this machine right here. But right now I just want to talk about one of these kits in the machine. It's called Kittens Kit. I really love the kittens, like kitty cats. The sounds of this thing is really nice. Just, you know, just one of them things, one of them kits is loaded up in the machine. Is I like to call it a fun kit. But I'm just gonna play around with it a little bit, show y'all why I really like it. You know. I love this kit. Anyway, y'all, I'm coming to you from PieFactory.ATL. My name is Will-Yum. Chilling here with the machine, just showing you some of the kits and what you can do with it. Cool. Alright, y'all. Peace out.